Chinese New Year is the most crucial celebration for Chinese people throughout the year. The upcoming year is the Year of the Dragon. The dragon, symbolizing prosperity and auspiciousness in traditional Chinese culture as an emblem of ancient emperors, holds significant importance. Therefore, today, we'll use Odin 32 to showcase two distinct crafts in engraving a dragon, welcoming the arrival of the Year of the Dragon. For a better presentation, during deep engraving, we can choose to repeatedly engrave until the desired effect is achieved. The dragon with a shallow engraving features lighter colors, making it better suited for background and decorative purposes. In contrast, the dragon with deep engraving is more three-dimensional and serves as an ideal centerpiece for showcasing. We can choose between these two techniques based on specific needs and preferences. Wishing you and your family a wonderful spring festival and a prosperous Year of the Dragon.